Hello everyone, welcome back for speaking English for every single day. I'm really happy to have you back in these sessions. That's it. And now I would like to share my experience, my real stories to all of you guys. Okay? But first of all, let me ask you something that how have you been? I hope you doing well with there. And also over here, I'm really good. My face seems to be energetic, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Okay, so let's head over to the main topic for today. So I would like to tell you about this one, Fondi. On my previous video, I already told you and already embarked to all of you guys what's Fondi. So Fondi actually a usual app to improve our English. But I would say this app's pretty much different than the common app that we ever play or we ever use, because you could speaking, expressing, practicing your English through people around the world. It's not it's not using AI, it's not using text, audio, just real practice in English. Yeah. And while I having conversation with those people are really so impressed with them that they also are improving their English no matter what, and no matter how bad their English is. And also the most important that all people on the room, on the server, are going to be ready, to be happy to talk in English, no matter how bad your English, how bad while you talk to the other people in this app. No matter, just brave, just confident, just have like I want desire, just desire. So all the people inside of this app have desire. So that's why I told you guys, if you wanna improve your English, you could use this as in as an intro. I think so. Yeah, you could try this once, and let's see, will you join with another day? Will you join and moving forward to this app and use it for your daily tools to improve your English? Nobody know, right? Just try. Okay, and how about this one? I see Duolingo also really nice application. I think this is also the top board to improve our English. Not only about English. I think a lot of English is provided by the developer, that we could open, and we could right away improve our English or another language over there. But Duolingo, I think, is strong the fullest wrong for basic one. You wanna improve your pronunciation, you wanna improve your grammar, it could be the best one to train our mind to be familiar with the daily grammar, daily conversation, simple conversations. Yeah, I have been there. I have been there and try it. Wow. Just, you know, if I call it back, I wish I wish go back to in time and while I was a kid and I would want to be learn English in early. So yeah, so I can be one step ahead than my friends. Yeah, always, but no, but nobody can do that. Yeah. So I also already collect and already told you before the what if. What if actually is very simple. It's very simple conversation, not conversation, but explanations. If I compare, but wait a minute. Yeah. If I compare, I have a book from Carl Jung and also What If. So, yeah, indeed, these books have a take. Yeah. But it's really hard for me to understand, to fully understand every sentence on the book. Yeah, fully hard. And I will fully use ChatGPT or translate just to find out the meaning of the word, the vocabulary, and sometimes the phrase also hit me so very hard. And I compare the book with What If. What If um it's not pretty much hard for me to understand because I think this book was made to intermediate English and also with simple explanations and also simple phrasal verb. So that's why I could be comfortable with this book. And yeah, sometimes I also write down through the every sentence I underline. I find out the meaning of phrasal verb over ChatGPT, and yeah, but not as much as from this book. Yeah, I think so. That's all my experience while I head over to three element. The first one, Fondi, and the second is Duolingo, and the third is read a book. I think that's all my explanation about those things, and I wish you could be ready for next session. Thank you guys.